Laundry is a never-ending story. Welcome to the Hire Smart Laundry Show. Hello everyone, this is Mr. Laundry, your host. Do you know men are confident enough in their appearances, no matter how tall, how short, how fat or thin? If you ask men to rate their appearances with a score of 10, I would say they will definitely rate 8 or higher. You can ask your husband, your boyfriend or male friend, is he more handsome than Fawad Khan, Imran Abbas or Ali Zafar? The answer would be yes. Some men lack taste in clothing. As long as they are wearing clothes, they think everything is appropriate. Welcome back to our show. The guest we are having today is a perfectly suited businessman, Mr. Mark.
Thanks for having me.
Brother. Where are you from?
I'm from England, Newcastle.
How is the football going on?
It's okay. Doing well, like usual. Yes.
I pretend it's literally not difficult to find attractive British actors.
Well, that's for sure. You have one here.
So, do you usually wear suits?
Oh no, that's just a stereotype. In fact, when we usually meet our customers, we wear very casual.
Wow.
Yes.
Is that so?
Actually, it is. I used to wear casual clothes to meet customers until one day the boss told me, stop wearing jeans and sneakers anymore. Come at work with an iron shirt and the pleated clothes will make you look like our company is poor.
Wow.
So I had to.
That must be a bit embarrassing for you.
Actually, it was very embarrassing because I was a new guy in the company, but he was right. And this is the only way you should go to the workplace, neat and wear it good.
Yeah, this is the only way for every green hand in the workplace.
So in order to avoid clothes being pleated, I often iron them in pieces and keep them and put them inside my car. But usually the car is full of these clothes and sometimes it happens that some people knock at my window and they ask me about the price. Yes.
That must be too hard on you.
But the most horrible thing was ironing the clothes in the morning. It's horrible, you just have to wake up and the first stuff you have to think, what should I wear? You should iron and it takes 20 to 30 minutes.
Exactly.
And I usually have no time for breakfast also. Yes.
So what would you used to have for your breakfast?
So look, I came up with a great idea.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you my
I wanna
secret.
know.
So, for example, you wake up in the morning and you have to iron your clothes.
Yeah.
You put a slice of bread there and you put the iron on it. So yes. So
seriously?
yeah, it works very good and actually is
wow.
another kind of sandwich. I would suggest it. Yeah, you can
I would
try.
definitely want to have.
Yes.
So I would say the world of foodies is really amazing.
Yeah, and actually when you have a lot of pressure in life, you have to just need to learn some new life skills.
Exactly,
Yes.
new skills. Yeah.
For example, my work requires frequent business trips, and every time I come back from my business trips, I am so tired to move. I am so tired to pick up all those dirty clothes from my suitcase. I don't even think that I have to wash them. It's horrible.
Why is that so?
Because every time I take my clothes, I put them in the machine, they wash, and then after I finish, I get a big ball of clothes, which I have to unwrap them, and I have to get them apart, which is too tiring for me.
It must be a big hassle for you.
Yes, it is, and it's actually a little maddening, because I even want to give up that washing machine and just wash it by myself.
You might have learned some new untangling skills. Did you?
No, I stopped there. Actually, that's all the skills I had to. Just made the sandwich and in an ironing clothes. But now I have the technique of untangle it, which is very temporary. It's not a cure. It's like a temporary solution. So I have found a solution to finish this entanglement. To give it to an end. And I just found, what can I say? The perfect washing machine.
The perfect washing machine. Is this the end for all your messy routine you had?
Yes, I think it is, because I finally took a washing machine which is higher 1978.
Wow.
And yes, that washing machine is terrific. There are many advantages, but for me the reason of buying it is to prevent entanglement. I don't have to worry about this anymore, and it's awesome. It's awesome.
This model sounds very upscale.
Yes, it is, because the clothes like washed by this washing machine are flat enough and they hardly need any ironing.
Wow.
So I don't have to like get up early anymore just to iron my clothes.
Sounds perfectly.
Yes. And now I have a lot of free time, you know, so I can prepare my breakfast.
Wow.
And like I can eat a decent breakfast, I can have my clothes ready, and I actually, to be honest, I also missed that sandwich on my iron, but you know, it's very practical for me, and it has changed my whole daily routine.
So would you like to show us your washing machine?
For sure, it will be my pleasure. Okay, so let's have a look.
Yeah, let's have a look then. So Mark, you mentioned something about a new model, right? So is this that beautiful, gorgeous looking washing machine?
Yes, you're right. This is Hire 1978. It's the new model. And by the way, I didn't mention it before. One day I was curious to see what this machine can do, and I just tangled my clothes by myself, put them inside the machine, and they were just like opened by themselves.
Really? Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure about that. I saw with my eyes.
But I literally do not believe you. I want you to prove that to me. Would you?
For sure. Oh, you come prepared today?
Yeah, I want to witness this absolutely gorgeous looking washing machine.
You're also tangling it.
Yeah, just the way you say it.
This machine will prove you wrong, and this machine will prove itself.
Yeah, I tied it too much for you because I want to be a bit harsh on you.
Hand it back to me.
Prove it to me. Let's do it then. I'm really excited. Yeah.
Yes, okay. Now first let's turn this machine on.
Turn it on.
Power.
Yeah. The C1 mode and then the C2 mode.
Yes, C2 mode. Open. Put it inside.
Okay.
And now let's see how this machine does it. You see?
Wow! It's a very good machine. The shirt has been entangled properly.
I told you, I was right? I even did it by
I
myself.
literally cannot believe, but now I have to believe what you said.
You should get one of these too.
Of course, I would really love to have
Every house should have one of these because every family needs it. It's like a very high technology machine and does everything properly.
The most important thing is it's upscale. It can just do whatever you want him to do.
Yes, it's true.
I would like to thank you for showing us the new method of how to wash clothes. It was really amazing to have you on our set today.
Thanks a lot for inviting me and hosting me. It's my pleasure.
It was our honor. What clothes do you usually wear at work? Please comment with your photos to win the prize. If you are interested in fashion, please do not miss our next set of episodes. We are going to invite a beauty to share her dressing skills. Laundry is a never ending story. Thank you for watching Hire Smart Laundry Show. Bye bye.